Ladies, gents, lovers, and friends, I would like for you to meet my favorite beast. Hater calls her sugar mold, but I know her as Madame Yeast. Unlike you, she's no lightweight. She makes her own alcohol by breaking down carbohydrates. Where there are hexose sugars like glucose and fructose lying around, Madame Yeast does not stall. She catalyzes it all into ethanol. She also produces a little something on the side, a little something called carbon dioxide. Madame Yeast calls this formulation the act of fermentation. All she asks is that you remember her one rule of gold. She prefers a lack of oxygen, for she is a facultative anaerobe. With a little help from chemistry, Madame Yeast can do something legendary. She can make the wine of strawberries. It's pretty neat, because it's pretty cheap. Look, here's a list of everything you'll need. Just follow these steps to ensure your success. First things first, rinse all the equipment with the cleaning solution dilution. Make sure everything is clean, the bucket, your hands, your tools, your space. Make sure there's no contamination in your space. Now juice your strawberries using a blender and use a nylon bag to strain the juice into our primary fermenter. This liberates the sugars from the cells so that Madame Yeast can get to her substrates. Keep the nylon bag in the fermenter so that all the sugars can come out later. For step number 3, quantity is key. First add water, then to keep competing bacteria and molds out of the area, add only 1 Campden tablet into your bucket. Too much Campden Crush will kill Madame Yeast, and that will not help us in the very least. Next is step number 4, so listen well, friend. We must add in our citric, malic, tartaric acid blend. This decreases pH and creates a wine with a fine, sharp, and tart taste. For step number 5, we ensure that the life of our wine is fine and divine. So we add in tannins, just like in tea. They add a bitter taste and guarantee our wine ages with grace. Now we add in pectinase. It's an enzyme that clarifies wine by breaking down the bonds found in cell walls. We also add in lots of sugar. Madame Yeast will use it all. Spinach is to Popeye as diammonium phosphate is to Madame Yeast. This form of nitrogen makes her fast and strong so that she can produce the most ethanol. This yeast nutrient also decreases the production of smelly, yucky hydrogen sulfide and decreases your chances of a hangover when your night is over and the sun begins to rise through the reduction of the production of non-ethanol alcohols. After 24 hours, Campden Crush will decontaminate the concoction. Then we add Madame Yeast as we have exercised caution. Cover the potion too. We wouldn't like Madame Yeast to get disturbed by O2. From now on, it's easy. Just do as I say. Mix the potion each day as the carbon dioxide bubbles away. In a week, siphon the wine into a secondary fermenter. Do this again in weeks 3 and 8. This will make transparent wine that you can drink up later. But be careful, V. If you don't cover the lid, those nasty AABs will turn the ethanol into HAC. Well, that's it for me. Thank you, Madame Yeast. I hope you learned something. Isn't fermentation neat?